Hi guys. So this is the first time that we are doing this hi guys thing. I'm Anushka.
I'm Parmeena.
And this is our channel. Kaleshi Girls. Kaleshi Girls, right?
Yes.
Yes, Kaleshi Girls. Right. Because she was right. I don't do shit about this YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Okay, so the thing is that I think my best friend is a lesbian lover. And she is secretly in love with me. And this is the person in question. I think she is secretly in love with me. I think so. Why? So the thing is that no one is as obsessed with me as her. So इसने मुझे एक बार एक चीज बोला था कि अनुष्का मैं चाहती हूँ कि तुम्हारा एक क्लोन हो मेरे पास ताकि जब तुम ना रहो मेरे साथ वही रहे और जब तुम रहो तब वो ना रहे. मुझे किसी और के साथ जाना ही नहीं है, रहना ही नहीं है, सिर्फ तुम चाहिए. इतनी शिद्दत बहनचोद मेरे साथ किसी ने नहीं दिखाया है. So I think she is in love with me.
Okay, so I am going to spill the tea. Why she thinks that I am in love with her. So working successfully. She is doing a hybrid job, like work from home plus
Work from office.
Yes. So should we check that if the sound is coming good, because that is there. Like, so what happened? She do hybrid job, work from home plus work from office. My work is totally work from home, so I stay 24/7 in my home. Okay, and I had only one gym crush, and he stopped coming to the gym after, I don't know whether he left it for me or not. I think he left it for me, which is embarrassing.
इतना इम्पोर्टेंस मत दो खुद को, इतना इम्पोर्टेंस मत दो. वो बंदा 2 दिन बाद शादी करने वाला है, 30 साल का बुढ़ा है वो. Oh, by the way, it's 12:30. रात के 12:30 बज रहे हैं. ये मेरे घर नाइट स्टे करने आई है, and I don't know if I should be uncomfortable or happy that I'm gonna have action tonight. Will I have action tonight?
So that day I was feeling so bored, and I was like, I want to go out with Anushka for real. I called her after my gym because I went to her house to pick her up and go to the gym. She was like, no, I'm tired. I went to the Nico Park. I can't go to the gym. You go alone. So I go alone. So I went alone. Sorry. I went alone and I did my gym. I did my cardios and everything. And then I was like, ab to Anushka se milungi and we'll have fun. I called Anushka and guess what? Her phone was busy. I don't know if I'm secretly in love with her or not, but she is secretly
Cheating on you.
Yeah. Yeah.
I was on call with my student who...
So let's get back. Let's get rolling. So what happened now, I was bored in the gym, and after gym I called her. Her phone was busy, and then I was like, I need her attention. I really need her attention. So I just made a fake story in my mind that Anushka, can you just give me back my denim jacket and my bag so that because I have a date. And she was like, date? But you said you will go to a date after you lose your weight. That was like,
yeah, that's a different story.
Yeah. So like I was like, yeah, it's a casual date. And she was like, okay, I'll see. Like she said dekhbo in Bengali. So I was like and I was like,
casual hota hai, वही तो देखना था.
So now she was like, send me the picture of the guy. I was like, fuck. Then I was like,
ये तो out of syllabus
out of syllabus ho gaya. Exactly. And then I was like, it's like cracking.
I'm a lip balm ko tha re. मिल गया.
I used Baby Lips. She used Kiss Me.
Swiss Beauty.
Kiss Candy.
Mine is Swiss Beauty, and she gave it to me.
So what happened? I was like, it's like cracking my mind. I was like, okay, she's not giving me patta. Like I was like, this thing, like she's not giving me any attention. So I just texted her, bro. My denim was with her, denim jacket, and I was like, bro, give me my denim jacket and my bag. I have a date tomorrow. Nothing, no date, no fucking date, no clue. I just told her just to like, you know,
so that I can come over with her stuff and she can see me.
Yeah, like she will be like, okay, suddenly date. Parmina didn't told me, and suddenly she went want to go on a date. What's going on? So she will give me some attention, and yes, she did. Okay, I am an attention seeker. My school teacher once told me, and she was right. Damn, she was right, bitch. And what? Okay, what happened? So I told her, don't look at me like that.
Why? Makes you feel stuff?
Makes me uncomfortable. Kind of very wrong way.
You are the one who is obsessed with me. You are the one.
I'm obsessed with her attention. It's like either a fuckboy or Anushka. Anushka or a fuckboy. Anushka, okay. Last time I didn't got her attention and...
Yeah. That's to it. Okay. I have ADHD, so I need to say this first, okay? So, a few months back, I was at my grandparents' house and she called me and she was like, Anushka, let's go out. I said, I'm not home, so I can't. She said, okay, fine. So, since she was bored and I wasn't available, what she did, she went to Hinge and she just asked a random guy, hey, do you want to meet up? He said, yeah, fine. So, they met up and the guy was so chivalrous. He was a gentleman, holding her hand, staring into her eyes, giving her compliments, wanting to marry her, give a relationship, have babies, have a family, and all those bullshit, okay, that every fuckboy says on the first date.
Yes.
Now, so they kind of start like dating.
Not dating, it was...
Parmina, please.
Okay, it was
so
dating.
they were dating, okay. They're like, oh my god, I like you. Oh my god, I like you more. Shut up, I like you. So this entire thing was going on. So the guy is coming with us, hanging out with us, okay, on
Her
Durga
smells
Puja.
like chocolate. I just wanna eat it.
And now who is making it uncomfortable? To be very honest, I'm not even uncomfortable.
Wow, this is so good. Like, it smells good.
Looks good too, tastes good, tastes even better. Yeah, okay. So she's now dating this guy and the guy seems nice. Yeah, that time. Now what happens? He changes, just like every guy. Normally guys take like 2-3 months to change, like my I won't even talk about mine, never mind.
Well, I will talk about that later. Some other episode.
Yes, some other episode.
You need to subscribe for that.
छोड़ दे.
उसके लिए सब्सक्राइब करो और कमेंट सेक्शन में बोलो कि उसका वीडियो चाहिए.
So now what happens? She's dating this guy and everything. Now the guy changes and the guy is like, oh no, I don't want a relationship. It was just casual. What are you even saying? Why are you calling me? I was out. So basically what happened is every time I'm not available and she goes with a guy, the guy ends up fucking her mind and her. But that's a different topic.
Yeah, mind
first. Fucking her mind. So it's either me or some red flag fuckboy.
Yeah, her. It's like the replacement. It's really a fuckboy, but that fucks my mind. Whether like my mother is giving me voice note, and then I was like, I need her attention. I really need her attention. So I just made a fake story in my mind that Anushka, can you just give me back my denim jackets and my bag so that because I have a date. And she was like, date? But you said you will go to a date after you lose your weight. Yeah, that was like
that's a different story.
Yeah. So like I was like, yeah, it's a casual date, and she was like, okay, I'll see. Like she said, dekh in Bengali. So it's like, and I was like,
casual hota hai,
so now she was like, send me the picture of the guy. I was like, fuck. Then I was
eventually
like,
out of syllabus.
Exactly. And I was like, so I went to Hinge again, and I started scrolling like which guy should I pick. So I saw this one cute guy, okay, wearing specs, that has a little goatee hair in the chin. And I should not give details now. It will be very awkward.
We literally went. Our first video was a double date when we said so much things about the guy. Not the guy I was with, but
okay, different thing, different story. And so I took a screenshot of that guy's picture and sent it to her. And I was like, now let's have to make this real because I can't fake it so much. Like, how will I fake it? So I texted that guy, hey.
Girls can fake, but only with guys, not with her bestie.
Yeah, so I have to like, you know, make it real. Make it real actually. So I texted that guy, hey, are you free tomorrow? Can we meet? And the guy says, no, I have exams, blah, 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 blah. We can catch up in Insta. And guess what? We started texting in Insta. And now, that motherfucker, whatever, it's a complete red flag. And I gave him my Hinge profile. I thought it was a red flag and stuff like that. And he was like, yeah, I'm totally red flag and all. So we texted, we chatted.
Red flag is कुछ चिनार बोलते हैं.
हाँ, चिनार ही था. ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं बोल सकती यार, वो भी देखेगा ना. See, he just, अच्छा, your contact is in Snapchat. We didn't add him into Snapchat. He just in Snapchat. That's got a message. Whatever. So I was kind of like because I don't talk with anybody. All the time what I do is scroll.
That's a different topic. So I just because video is getting too long. So now what happened is that today she was supposed to go on a date, right? And I was out. I was getting my nails done. So she calls me. She's like, where are you? I said that I'm out right now. I'm getting my nails done with a friend. I'll call you later because I need to pay rent. She's like, okay, fine, call me. And as usual, I forgot to call. Then after like 1 or 2 hours, I called her. Where are you? She said, I'm out. I said, are you on a date? She said, yes. I'm like, are you doing something? She said, no. If I was doing, I wouldn't pick up the call. I said, okay, fine. I'm coming over to your house with another friend. And
she wouldn't have come if I wouldn't have said that I was on a date.
I would have come.
No.
I would have came or come. I would have come. ठीक है क्योंकि हमारा जो friend है वो fried chicken ला रहा था. We didn't get a place to eat the chicken, and my place was not an option. So of course I would have come. Okay.
You have come.
So now what happens? She said, I'm gonna date. Okay, fine. Just मैं तो jacket bag कुछ वापस नहीं किया इसको, and she needed that for the date. I don't know why she needed that only for the date, but okay. So now I go to her house and I'm just waiting. So no. मैं घर जाने वाली थी. Then I saw she's in front of the gate. She just came from somewhere. So me and my friend we went upstairs. She came upstairs. Now I asked her, how was the date? What did you do? She's like, I can go on the date. I was like, what? She said, yeah, मैं पढ़ने गई थी. I'm like, okay. So when did we go on the date? Like, actually I was not supposed to go on the date. I'm so obsessed with you. I said that.
Yeah, because I was like, I can't lie because I can't continue that lie.
Yeah,
I would have said like, I can't lie, okay?
Yeah.
Best friend.
So I was like, what the fuck?
No, I just said because I needed.
Oh my god, what the fuck is this? I love this.
Somebody
went to great lengths to lie so that she can see me. I mean, that is pure love. Talk about love. That is pure love.
Yeah, that is love.
And I'm so happy.
Yeah, because it's better to spend one evening with your best friend than to spend a date with a fuckboy. Like,
or any boy for that matter.
Fuckboy, what's it?
Sharm the hai.
Her type is.
I don't have a type. If you're hot, I'm gonna like you. I don't have a type. If you're hot, or if you play the guitar, or if you're 6 feet, or if you just look good. Wear specs. Oh my god. Or if you can, or if you can sing Anup Chan.
And for me, it's you have to have nerves on your hands.
Yeah, veiny hands is a must. I love gym boys. I love guys who play football.
Same.
I have a thing for guys who play football.
Same. I also
like
like
maybe don't play with the football. Play with me.
And don't play with me.
I mean, play with me, but don't play with me.
Yeah.
If you know, you know.
Yeah.
I like gym guys, you know.
Yeah. I like guys who play BB, like basketball. Is a huge genre. They're tall. They're very tall. Every basketball guys are tall. Like not all football guys are tall, but BB guys are very tall. I love tall guys.
Football guys have.
Yeah, football guys have 1,000+ aura, but BB guys is also very cool. Like, I look BB, FB.
WB. Bye.
Wait. Subscribe.
Yes, please.
Like,
please subscribe कर दो. Subscribe कर दो.
नहीं ऐसे भीख नहीं मांगते. Like, share and subscribe. Gen Z Bikaris.